Hello and welcome to my channel Learn with Upasana.
And today's topic is Microsoft Word. In our videos, we will include from basic to advanced about the Microsoft Word. And today it is the part first. Let us discuss about what is Microsoft Word and what are the uses of Microsoft Word. MS Word is a word processing software. It creates document using software like letters, reports, emails and books. MS Word used to create business document having various graphics include pictures, charts and diagrams. Microsoft Word is used to design various documents such as resumes or invitation cards. Now, how to start Microsoft Word in your computer system? Step 1 is to click the Start button. Step 2 is to click All Program option from the menu. Step 3. Search the Microsoft Office from the submenu and click it. Step 4. Search for Microsoft Word 2010 from the submenu and click it. In our next video, we will learn about how to work in Microsoft Word.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon.